Hey, brothers and sisters, Kim Samples, Handyman Walking with Jesus. Just wanted to do a quick little video. Still working on my kitchen remodel, but I finished up my ceiling in my dining room. Wanted to kind of explain what I had to do in this room. This is a two-story. There's a second story above this ceiling, so this ceiling is 8 foot high. I wanted to put a dome in here, so I cut out part of the ceiling, and I took out all the sheetrock from here to here and put in, reinforced it for the 2x8 floor joists that were in there, so I could put this dome. This is about probably a 6-inch dome that I wanted to get up in there. So I got that in there. I came back and sheetrocked the ceiling and did a knockdown texture on it. But I wanted the illusion of this being high, but this is only 8 foot tall. So over here, I came in with a 2x4 laying flat and put it up against the ceiling. Another one over here. This is 16 inches out, so I gained about 2 inches coming down, and this is from the wall. So now this is less. This is 2 inches less than 8 foot. Then I came down and put a piece of MDF board here, and I routed it out, gave it a little detail. Then I came down with some molding here, and this is some Argentina pearls from General Finishes. Then I put a black glaze on it. So then I put another trim piece here, molding here, to kind of make it look like it's going up, and it is up, but it's truly not up. It's 8 foot high ceiling. And then I trimmed it out around here just to kind of give it a little bit more. Picked up a chandelier here and put it up. It's not complete, but all the crystals are off. This is just to protect my head when I'm underneath it, and I've bumped my head 2 or 3 times. Anyway, this ceiling turned out real good. Kind of do a pan around it, and it's going to be part of the kitchen, or the dining room off the kitchen. So we still have the little bit of touch up to do, but if you have an 8 foot ceiling and you want to make it look higher than it is, you might try to put a little, bring it down, the ceiling down. And this, I just made it smooth. I didn't texture this. So actually this ceiling it looks like it's high, but it's not high. I just didn't have any room to push it up because of the second story. So this particular ceiling, you've seen my other ceiling over here that I did in the living room, that I had plenty of room in the attic to get to put that up and put the cold ceiling there. But anyway, this is right off of that from the living area, and you come over here and it's got this ceiling. And then I'm still working on the kitchen, and of course a lot of you already seen the tray ceiling, and I have some videos on that already. I'll show you how I built that. Still working on my kitchen cabinets over here, trying to finish them up, so still a lot of work to go. But anyway, have a blessed day, keep walking with Jesus, and subscribe if you like this video, or thumbs up, or whatever they say you're supposed to do. Anyway, have a blessed day. Thank you very much.